everyone, Nicole here with your Insurance Minute. This week I want to talk quickly about glass coverage and glass claims on your personal and commercial vehicles. So most people are under the impression that because you have full glass coverage that you can put in as many claims as you want during your policy period. That's false. The more claims that you put in, they can adversely affect your overall insurance premiums. So whether you have full glass coverage or not, you've got little chips, getting repairs, replacements, that is all going to add up and could potentially make your insurance costs go up. And it could also make you ineligible with certain carriers. So just make sure you talk to your agent, find out how many glass claims you are putting in per policy period so you kind of have an idea. And then if you do have a commercial auto, talk to your agent to see if your policy does include full glass. Most commercial auto carriers only offer full repair. They don't offer full replacement to actually replace the full windshield if you've got a full crack. So just keep that in mind, and I'll see you guys next week.